Hello everyone, welcome to Voxel's YouTube channel. I am Piyush Goyal. So in this video we will discuss about true false not given. So this is basically our another video in our series. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you know our pattern, or if you have seen my previous video, you should be aware of the pattern. We will first read the title of the passage and then we will go straight to the first question. So title of the passage is fresh flowers. So in this passage we should be reading up something about fresh flowers. Okay. What we have to do is we have to write true, false, and not given. So you should be very careful about that. Do not confuse them with yes, no, or not given. Although the way we solve these questions or both type of questions is the same, we do not write or we do not mix the wordings. First question. In recent years, cut flowers have become more expensive to grow in the Netherlands. So, when this information will be true, when in recent years the business of cut flowers, or the cut flowers, they have become more expensive to grow in the Netherlands. So, Netherlands is a country, obviously. So, if they have become more expensive than the past, let's just say it may be given in the paragraph that in the past it costed, let's just say, around $10 per hectare to grow cut flowers, but now it costs $20, $30. So we will say yes, the cost have grown, so it has become expensive. So yes, it's true. But if the cost like has decreased or is same as in the past, we will say false. But if there is no comparison given, we will say not given. Okay, now we will start reading our passage. What price fresh flowers? Flowers have long been symbol of love and caring. People send them to express sympathy, to apologize, or just wish someone well. But today, floriculture, the growing and selling of flowers, is very big business, worth 2.2 billion dollars a year in the UK alone. Right, till now we haven't read anything about the price. This is the price of the total business, but we haven't read about the price of growing them. The majority of the cut flowers sold in are the imported these days, mostly from countries such as Colombia and Kenya, the Netherlands. So this is obviously the country we are looking for. Is the traditional center of flower production in Europe and remains a major supplier of flowers in recent years. Okay, now we have come to the recent years. However, as labor and production costs have soared, so if labor and production costs have soared, obviously that means in simpler words that the cost of growing flowers has increased, soared, increased significantly. Obvious. Okay, so what the answer should be? The answer to this given question should be true. Hope it is clear. Moving forward to the next question. More people are employed in the cut flower industry in Kenya than in Europe. So, if more people are employed in Kenya than Europe in the cut flower industry, let's just say in Kenya 100 people are employed and in Europe 50 people are employed. We will say yes, more people in Kenya than Europe are employed in cut flower industry or they work in cut flower industry. The answer is true. But if it opposite is true, like though there are like more people in Europe than Kenya, or there may be equal number of people in both the country or the country and the continent, we will say false. But if we don't have the information about the number of people employed in both or either one particular place, we will say not given. Like for example, let me just clarify on that. If there is given like 100 people are employed or 100 people work in this particular industry, but we don't know the number of Europe, we will say not given. Or we know how many people work in Europe, but we don't know how many people work in Kenya, we will say not given. So we'll continue. Attention there has shifted from flower production to flower trading. Meanwhile, the Kenyan cut flower industry. So here's something about Kenyan industry here has grown rapidly and now provides vital income for around 2 million people. So around 2 million people work in Kenya in this particular industry. Now we have to find out about the Europe. It's the country's largest agriculture foreign exchange earner after tea. So it is like at second place after tea, producing $165 million annually. For environmental conscious, so there is nothing about how many people work in Europe in this particular industry. So we don't know the number of Europe, and also obviously we cannot compare these two. And for that reason, we will say the answer to this question should be not given. Hope it is clear. Moving on to the next question. Flowers represent Kenya's most valuable agriculture export. Sorry. So if flowers are like Kenya's most valuable agricultural export, meaning to say they earn the highest amount of money, we will say true. But if they are not, if something else, I think we have read it, so we will say false. And if there is no information like which is the biggest earner for Kenya, we will say not given. So most valuable means it comes in first place. But we have read here it is the country's largest foreign exchange earner after tea. Uh, Let me stop it. Okay, it is earner, but it is after tea, largest foreign exchange earner after tea, producing 165 million dollars annually. Meaning it is not in first place; it comes in second place. So obviously, a question is saying the most valuable export. We know it's not the most valuable. Most valuable is tea. It is in second place. So we will say the answer to this should be false. Moving forward, fourth question. The UK has seen a marked decline in the production of locally grown cut flowers on sale. So, if there has been a marked decline just simply means significant decline. So, if there is significant decline in locally grown cut flowers which are being sold in the UK, we will say the answer is true. But if there is no change, or if in fact the proportion of locally grown cut flowers on sale has increased, we will say false. But that if there is no information given or there is no comparison given with the past, we will say not given. Simple as that. So let's read. For the environmentally conscious, it might seem wasteful that a commodity such as flowers should travel halfway around the world before arriving at a supermarket or florist shop. Just as some environmentalists say it's better to buy fruit and vegetables grown locally. So here's something about local thing. Some also advocate buying locally grown flowers. Thanks to globalization, however, the UK cut flower industry, so here is about UK cut flower industry, now supplies just 10% of the country's needs. So UK's local industry is now supplying 10%. So we have to know what about the something about the past. So 20 years ago, so this is the past, it was more like half. Okay, so 20 years ago they were supplying roughly half of the country's need, but now they are just supplying 10%. So from 50% they have dropped down significantly to 10%. So yes, there is a marked decline in this particular field. So what we will say, our answer to this question is or should be true. I hope it is clear. Moving forward, the Cranfield study concentrated on the environmental effects of transporting cut flowers. So we have to find this particular word, Cranfield study. So this particular study is focused on environmental effects of transporting flowers. How we transport flowers, like if we have to transport them from one country to another, so we should be transporting them by airplanes, by flights, okay, and then by trucks from different parts of the country to send them to different parts of the country. So if they are focusing on these kind of aspects, we will say true. But if their concern is something else, like how they are grown, they are focusing about environmental effects, but not about transportation, but about production, like the chemicals used in growing them or something like that. We will say false. But if there is not given anything about, but if there is something about the environmental effect of transportation is not given, or if there is no mention of environmental effects, we will say not given. Let's read. Sorry about that. Okay, what's more, it is suggested that reversing this trend would actually have serious environmental consequences. Research published in 2006 by Cranfield University in the UK. So, research by Cranfield. So, Cranfield research showed that production of Kenyan flowers, including delivery by air freight and truck, resulted in carbon footprint. So yes, this particular research by this university focused on air freight and truck. So they resulted in carbon footprint nearly 6 times smaller than that caused by production of Dutch flowers. So they have asked about whether this focused on environmental effects of transporting flowers. Yes, whether it is number is small or big, we don't have to worry about that because question is not concerned about that. Yes, we did. This study focused on environmental effect of air freight and by truck. So environmental effect of transporting or transportation. So we will say answer should be or answer is true. Next question number 6. The Lake Naivasha, so if I'm mispronouncing, I'm sorry in advance, region produces a range of cut flowers including roses. So if this region produces a range of cut flowers which includes roses, we will say true. But if this region doesn't produce roses, we will say false. And if there is no information regarding whether there is a range of cut flowers and include roses or not, we will say not given. So Kenya has optimal growing conditions and warm African sun provides heat and light, whereas growers in the Netherlands and other developed countries require significant inputs of gas and electricity to grow flowers year round in artificially climate controlled environments. But there are other environmental factors to consider. A vast range of pesticides, fertilizers, and fumigants are used in producing cut flowers. Lake Naivasha, so sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. The centers of Kenya's flower industry is the ideal place to grow roses. So it is the ideal place to grow roses thanks to its high altitude and abundant sunlight and water. However, environmental damage has resulted from the development that has followed in the wake of floriculture. This lake itself has shrunk to half its original size, with water levels dropping by 3 meters, fish catches falling, and native hippopotamus feeling the effects of pollution. So, can you guess the answer here? They have said the conditions are ideal to grow roses, but whether there is a range of other cut flowers or whether there is only roses or whether only roses are grown there, we don't know about that. So we have no idea about a range of cut flowers there, or whether only roses are grown there. We do not get any information from the text. So we will say the answer to this is not given. So when the answer could be true or false, when here they have written it is the ideal place to grow only roses. So if only word was written here, so we would have known that only roses are grown there, so no other flower is grown here. So we would have said obviously there is no range of cut flowers. grown hair, so false. But we don't know the word only, or the word only is not written here, and we don't know about the other range of cut flowers, so we will say not given. So seventh question, supplies of some local food items have been affected by the impact of floriculture at around Lake Navashir. So, if some local food item supplies have been affected because of horticulture, we will say true. And if nothing happened to like local food items because of horticulture, we will say false. And if there is no information given whether or how floriculture has affected the layer surroundings around this particular lake, we will say not given. But we have read something about fishes or fish catches falling. Here, fish catches falling, so water level dropped by 3 meters. So as a result, fish catches has fallen and native hippopotamus feeling the effect. So if fish catches have fallen, that means the number of fish that fishermen caught, the number has decreased. So yes, there is some effect of because of horticulture around this particular place. We will say the answer to this is true. Moving to the last question. Transporting cut flowers by sea is generally more successful than using any other means of transport. So if transporting cut flowers, okay, by sea is generally more successful than using any other means of transport, so if it is like it has better result than any other means of transport, so there are generally three means of transport: sea, like water, land, air. So if sea is generally better than land and air, or any one of or both, we will say true. But if any one of those two is like better than C, we will say false, or both are better than C, we will say false. But if there is no comparison given, we will say not given. Let's see. Meanwhile, transporting flowers over long distances poses its own set of challenges. Roses, for example, have to be shipped by air, okay, rather than sea, because they require constant refrigeration and wilt quickly. Transporting other types of flowers by sea can also be tricky compared to air freight. So air is better than sea for not only roses but other types of flowers as well. So obviously sea is not more successful than any other means of transport. Air freight is better than it. So what we will do is we will say the answer to this should be false. Okay, we can check the answers. True, not given, false. True, not given, false. True, true, not given, true, false. True, true, not given, true, false. So this is how you should solve your true false your reading. So if you have doubts, you can watch other videos that are posted on our channel, and I'm gonna leave the link to my website in the description box. You can visit us there, you can contact us there. We will be happy to help. Sorry, we will be happy to help you. We have helped countless students to achieve band 7 or more in writing and speaking. So if you are struggling with that, you can contact us. We have made one of the most, if not the most extensive course on IELTS for all 4 modules. So if you are struggling with any one of that, you can contact us and we will help you to get your desired band scores. I will see you in the next video. So till then, take care and goodbye.